Hello, I'm Tim, I write for TTREVIEWS, and I'm doing the review on the Logitech Ultra Flat keyboard. This keyboard can be picked up for around £10 to £14 for most online and in-store shops. This keyboard can be used with Linux, Windows and most probably Mac. As you can see, it's got two clips, so you can have it elevated or you can have it flat. I prefer to have it flat. It has the full number pad, but it has no function keys at all. So, it's a good keyboard, but if you're looking for a laptop keyboard replacement, it's probably not the best thing because it has no function keys. This keyboard is great. I can type very, very fast on it, and it's really cheap too. So thank you, and goodbye.